Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can manually change the time zone on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on General Management. Next, tap on Date and Time. And then go down and tap on Select Time Zone. Now make sure you turn off Automatic Time Zone. And then go down and tap on Select Time Zone. In here, you can manually change the time zone by tapping on the time zone here. First, tap on Region and select your current region. And then after that, we select a time zone. So here I can choose Darwin. So the time zone is Darwin. If you want to change it, you tap on time zone and then change your city. And that's it. So that is how you can manually change the time zone on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.